Hello, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to the AEC Rally in Newark. The AEC Rally is not just for AECs, there's a good mix of ERFs, Volvos and other things. So let's pick things up at the showground. Hi there, one ticket in the programme please. Before we head to the exit and wait for the real entertainment, a quick wander around to see what's turned up. Plenty of proper old iron here today, classic lorries, buses, heavy haulage kit and several elderly diesels quietly minding their own business, for now. Because as lovely as they are parked up, the real fun starts when they fire into life and head for home. Spotted over the back there's some buses. Now obviously I don't like buses, so I'm not going to go and look at that. There's some absolutely brilliant stuff in there, but now is the best part of the rally for me by far. People leaving. There is nothing better than hearing these old diesels firing up and firing up the road. So here's a montage of everyone leaving. there we go then. That is the AEC Rally at Newark. Last few exhibits are just leaving. I'm just getting a few more snaps and then that'll be me on the way home. So I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. This is one of those rallies that's so chilled out. Everyone is so friendly, and the exhibits are fantastic. So absolutely, if ever you're in the Newark area around the May bank holiday weekend, definitely come to the AEC Rally.